I am going to solve Excel 3E investment assignment. This is the third assignment in this course. I will do this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment ready or get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can hire me and you can make a deal for your complete course. My WhatsApp and email is given in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. So you can either contact me through email or WhatsApp. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, marketing, statistics, mathematics, all programming assignments, writing assignments as well. So contact me and make a deal for your courses, and I will be doing your courses throughout your degree, and I will be producing a grade for you. So now let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step, so that you can also solve your assignment by watching this video. So title of the assignment is Excel 3E investment. At start of this section, you can see this project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the investment for the city of Orange Blossom Beach. So this is the project description, and you will read this project and give the assignment for these steps. And these are total 15 steps that we are supposed to solve in this assignment. You can also do your assignment by watching this video. So let's move to step number 1 of the assignment. Download Excel workbook from the school dashboard, and the workbook that we will apply all the formulas and functions to get this workbook ready for the submission. So you can also download this from your school dashboard. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook, and there is nothing else to do in step number 1 of this assignment. So now let's move to step number 2, where main part of the assignment is starting. Step 2. In cell B10 and C10, enter formulas to calculate the total for each column. This is B10, and this is C10, and we are supposed to calculate the total for B column and total for the C column, and that we can do by using the sum function. Sum function is always used to calculate the total for any given range. So we will use the sum function, and we will select the range, that is column B, B5 to B9, and we will get the total for column B. Similarly, we can get the total for column C by using the sum function again, and select the range, and we got it. So we use the sum function to get the total for column B and total for column C, and that is all required in step number 1 for this range. So now we will move to step number 3 of the assignment, because we are done with step number 2, where we were supposed to calculate this total, and now we are supposed to do step number 3. So in step number 3, it is saying that in cell D5, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total projected investment for the pooled investment. So in cell D5, this is D5, and we are supposed to calculate the percentage of total projected investment. And formula for this is already given in the instruction. It is saying that by dividing the projected investment for the next fiscal year, this one, the projected investment for the next fiscal year, this one, we are divide this by the total projected investment for the next year. We will divide this by the total projected, this one, total projected investment for the next year. So we will get this, and then use the absolute cell references as necessary. Format the result in percent style and center the percentage. Fill the formula down through the cell D9. So we are supposed to calculate this, and we will calculate this by dividing this value by this value. So we are supposed to use this absolute value of cell C10. So we will use the dollar sign for this. We get the result for this one, and now it is saying that format the result in percent style. So now we are supposed to format these results in the percent style, this one, and then center the percentages. This one. So we got these results by using the given formula in the instructions, and that is all about step number 3. So we are done with step number 3 as well, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 4 of the assignment. Step number 4 is select the non-adjacent range A5 up to A5 up to A9 and C5 up to C9 as the data for a pie chart, and then insert a 3D pie chart. Move the chart to a new chart sheet named projected investment. So in step number 4, we are supposed to insert a 3D pie chart, and we can insert this 3D pie chart by selecting the two data ranges that are given in step number 4. First one is A5 up to A9 and second one is C5 up to C9, and then we are supposed to move the chart to a new sheet, that is the projected investment. So for this we will first select these two ranges, A5 up to A9, that is the first range, and now we will select the second range. So press and hold the control button and select the second range, that is C5 up to C9. So I have selected these two ranges, and we are supposed to insert a 3D pie chart. So click on the insert tab, go to the pie chart, and we are supposed to insert a 3D pie chart. So this is 3D pie, insert this one, and now move the chart to a new sheet and name should be projected investment. So click on the move chart and select the new sheet and type the name of the sheet, that is the projected investments. So we created a 3D pie chart and we moved the chart to a new sheet, that is a projected investment sheet. And that is all required in step number 4 of the assignment. So we have solved 4 steps of this assignment so far, and now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 5. So in step 5 of this assignment, it is saying that for the chart title, type projected revenue. So now we are supposed to add a chart title to this chart. That should be the projected revenue. Format the chart title by applying a word art style in the first row. Apply the second style. Change the font size to the 32. So first let me add this chart to the chart, that is the projected revenue. So I will type projected revenue for the chart title. Projected revenue. So I have added the chart title. Now format the chart title by applying a word art style in the first row. Apply the second style. So we will select the first row, second style, this one. That is the first row and the second style. And the last thing to do is change the font size to the 32 points. 32 points. So that is all required in step number 4, and we are done with 4 steps so far. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. Next step is step number 6. We are done with 5 steps so far. So now we gonna do next step, that is step number 6. Total steps in this assignment are 14, and I am doing step number 6 now. So step number 6 is remove the legend chart element and then add the data labels chart element formatted so that only the category name and percentages display positioned in the center. So first we are supposed to remove the legend from the chart. So we will go to the chart element and we will deselect the legend. So you can see that legend has been removed from the chart. And now we are supposed to add the data label. Position of the data label should be center, and the data label included should be the category name and the percentages. So we will go to the data labels and it should be center position, this one, but we will go to the more options. We are supposed to show the category name and the percentage, and you can see that it has the category and the percentage. So you can see the category and the percentage for each slice. So that is all required in step number 6, where we were supposed to remove the legend and we were supposed to add the data labels positioned in the center, having the category name and the percentages. So that is all required in this step. That was step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps of this assignment so far. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 7 of the assignment. Because we are done with 6 steps. So step number 7. So in step number 7 it is saying that change the font size of the data labels to 12 point. So we will change the font size of the data labels to 12 points. Then apply the bold. And now we are supposed to apply bold to this one. Format the data series using a 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel to last bevel style in the last row. Format the data series using a 3D format effect. So we are supposed to format the data series. So we are supposed to use the 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and the bottom bevel to last bevel style in the last row. So this is the top bevel, and we are supposed to use the last bevel style in the last row for both. So I will select this one, and for the bottom bevel, this one. Set the top bevel width and height to 350. Top bevel width and height to 350, and then set the bottom bevel width and height to 0. Bottom bevel width and height to 0. Change the material to the third standard effect plastic. We will go to the material, add this one, plastic. So that is all required in step number 7, where we were supposed to do some formatting of this pie chart, and I have completed this step number 7. So we are done with 7 steps of this assignment so far. So now we will do step number 8. So in step number 8, it is saying that display the series option and then set the angle of the first slice to 100%, so that the pooled investment slice is in the front of the pie. This one. So we are supposed to format the data series. Angle of the first slice should be 100. This one, and you can see that so that pooled investment slice is in the front of the pie, and you can see that it is in the front now. And now it is saying that select the pooled investment slice and then explode the slice by 10%. So this is the pooled investment slice, and we are supposed to explore this by the 10%, this one. And then change the fill color of the pooled investment slice in the 5th column. Apply the 4th color. So we are supposed to format this data point. 5th column. This one. 4th color. Format the chart area by applying a gradient fill using any. Format the chart area by applying a gradient fill by using, if any, present gradient style. So we are supposed to format the chart area now by applying a gradient fill using any present gradient style. So we can use by any from here, like this one. So that is all required in step number 8. So I have solved 88 complete steps in this video. I started from step 1. I explained each and everything in those 8 steps. That is almost 60% of this assignment. But for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. Starting from step 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are 6 steps left. I have solved 8 steps, but now I will show you the final version so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want to hire me, you can hire me and I will do these steps for you. Let me show you the final version now. So this will be the final version for this assignment. After applying all the remaining steps, you will get a final version like this. So we are supposed to type this one, then this one, as in the coming steps. Step number 11, you can see this one. Copy, okay, and this will be our final form of the chart. This one. So I have shown you this complete version of the assignment. So if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can hire me and I will do this assignment for you. I will do this complete course for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.